You want to be a world champion? You have to be a world champion already in your mind and in your habit.
One sentence of the best advice from the best b-boys and b-girls on the planet. Hey, what's up? This is your boy Coach Sambo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we're in Seoul, Korea for the World Championships of Breaking. And I'm taking this opportunity right here to talk to some pretty good b-boys and b-girls and ask them one word of advice to give you guys. So if you're new to the channel right here, basically I do a lot of tutorials for breaking, and sometimes I cover events, and I do a lot of random b-boy and b-girl stuff. So feel free to subscribe if you're already feeling the vibe. So, with no further ado, let's hit the road right here and look for some good b-boys and b-girls and ask them a little word of advice. Your advice to the new generation in one sentence.
Don't follow what wins, follow what feels right, what feels authentic.
My best advice in one sentence? I would say try to enjoy the journey of becoming the best breaker you can possibly be. That would be the best sentence I could give.
Your advice to the new generation in one sentence.
Sorry, my English is so bad. Keep trying, don't give up, and wait. Have a good big goal, and small goal.
So, big goal,
Yeah.
and don't give up.
Yes.
Slowly
Yes,
reach the goal.
Yes, that's what I mean. Thank you.
Thank you.
My advice to the new generation. You guys are still here while the old generation is here. Absorb as much knowledge and take it in. You may not use it immediately, but use as much as you can and you'll know when to use it. But absorb that knowledge.
Munir, your advice for the new generation in one sentence.
Nice. Cool.
Visualize what you want and go get it.
Keep enjoying the journey, even though sometimes it goes up and down. Keep loving what you do, loving the battle, loving the process. Even though you fail and you lose, doesn't matter, because one day it will be a win, and it's all the experience you get in that time that's actually the fun.
You guys just be yourself and find that like power which is inside, which every person have it. When you find it, really believe in it like 100%, and it's gonna work. So believe in yourself and find yourself.
Joe 671, your advice to the new generation in one sentence.
Listen your body and listen the music. By the way, watch Coach Sambo videos.
Enjoy the process. For me, is the most important. Forget about everything and try to enjoy the process, because it's only one way. Go.
Practice.
That's one word.
Practice and practice and practice.
My advice for the new generation in one sentence: stay outside the box.
I suck at giving advice, but for me, being disciplined and just pushing through even when you want to give up. It's just pushing through, even if you're tired, you can't no more, you just keep on going. Consistent.
Your advice to the new generation in one sentence.
In order to do something that you've never done, you have to become someone you have never been. You want to be here, you have to become a person who deserves to be here at the World Championship. You want to be a world champion, you have to be a world champion already in your mind and in your habits. How you behave, how you train, how you think, how you eat, how you sleep, and then you become the world champion. Nobody becomes a world champion by accident.
Your advice to the new generation in one sentence.
Be yourself, bring out yourself. Don't fall into like doing just moves and be average. Just be yourself, show your personality.
You have to remember roots and follow the roots.
When he sweat the technique.
Don't forget about like a real breaking, don't forget about footwork, because it's super important. This is foundation. If you don't have a footwork, you can dance breaking. You know what I mean? Power moves is really good. It's like it's a power of breaking, right? But don't forget the footwork, charisma, your character, and searching for something new, searching for some original. Because if you get original, everyone gonna recognize you straight. Peace out.
All right, what would be your best advice for upcoming breakers in one sentence?
Be consistent, travel, make connections, and don't give up. Yeah, there's so many events out there. It's easy to get disheartened, but it's a part of the process. If you don't lose, you don't learn. So keep pushing, keep going, and eventually you'll get to where you need to be.
Dance how you want, let them judge how they want.
What's your advice for the new generation?
Know the rules for why you do it and enjoy. Follow your own life way.
For the new gen, how I tell everybody. Have no expectations. That's it. Don't have any expectations.
Your advice to the new generation in one sentence.
Sambo. Sorry, I understood the question was one word, not one sentence.
No,
it's gonna be one sentence. Okay.
One sentence.
Work on your own stuff. Work on your own signature moves. That will make the difference to win some big battles. Peace.
What's your advice for the new generation in one sentence?
Foundation.
My advice to the new generation is don't wait for 3 rounds or 2 rounds. Pack everything in 1 round and you got it.
My advice to the new generation would be to be yourself in what you do.
Man, trust yourself. You're prepared to be here. Don't overthink. It's something that helps me, so just trust yourself. Trust that you came here to do this and there's nothing to overthink. All the preparation, now you can enjoy what you do.
What's your advice for the new generation in one sentence?
I will tell you once I figure it out.
All right, last up to finish up, I want to give you some of my advice. My advice is there's never going to be a perfect time. There's always going to be something. There will always be challenges. There will always be something holding you back. You got to be ready for that. Push through whatever the obstacle is. Whether it's raining outside or you have an injury or you have other obligations, make it work. Make it happen. Because that's where most people fail. That's why most people cannot realize their dreams. It's because, oh, but I got to meet up with friends there and I got to meet up with family over there. A lot of people don't manage to overpower and control those excuses. That's what I do every day, and that's how I make it happen. So this is your boy, Coach Sambo, live from, well, not live, but I'm in Seoul, Korea. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a random comment if you enjoyed the video. Peace and love, baby.